Hey everybody, it's Margo at My Favorite Quilt Store here, and I wanted to give you a little information on this wonderful quilt kit. This one is Florence the Flamingo, which is so cute, and it is made with Elizabeth Hartman's fabric collection, sunflowers, sunroom, along with Kona solids. So I wanted to show you a little bit about this kit. So it comes with the comes in this nice little plastic bag. Number one, it has a nice zipper pouch. On these kits, they do a wonderful fabric on the back that gives it lots of texture. This is an Essex linen and like a beige, and it has just a wonderful feel and a little bit of texture to it, so it gives a neat texture to the background. Then we've got this cute binding, and then we've got the beaks and the faces fabric, and then for the main body, we've got this sunroom jelly roll, and then we've also got the a Kona roll up in Kona cottons that match it. And so what you do is you pull out the solids of the cottons that match the corresponding print and use those in your flamingos. But inside your pattern, Elizabeth Hartman makes such a good pattern because it gives you different sizes. You can also just make the flamingo alone if you wanted to, and it gives you great detailed color instructions on how to make the quilt. So we hope you enjoy making this quilt kit. It is a lot of fun, and happy quilting.